I hope this video helps. Please check out the playlist: Evidence for Christianity, Evidence for the Bible, End Times, and the Book of Revelation. Leave links in the description for all four. Enjoy. Time to replace the passenger side low beam headlight on my 2013 Hyundai Sonata. It's an H7. I'm going to leave a link in the description for this part from Amazon. I am an Amazon associate, so I do earn from any qualifying purchases using my link. Pop the hood and lift it up, release the hatch, and let's get it changed. As you can see, the low beam light is working right now. For some reason it's intermittent. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Anyway, to reach it, it is this cover right here. So it's off. And be super careful when you're taking this out, because it might be hot if it was just recently on. So just reach in here, turn it counterclockwise, unscrews, there's your cap. And then when you reach inside there, see this? So go ahead and unplug this. That's what goes into your headlight. And then there's a little spring-like contraption that holds this on. Please support my channel by leaving a super thanks below. Or you can join Robinhood through a link that I'll leave in the description. We'll both get a free stock. Or you can purchase the product through the link I'll leave in the description, and I'll get a little earning. Continue watching. So to unlatch the bulb from here, just need to get this cord out of the way. This thing here, you push in a little bit, and then it starts to come over to the left. There we go, and that unlatched it from the bulb. Pull it down, then you can wiggle your bulb out of here. Kind of stuck. Even with that bracket undone, it's still pretty tight. I'm going to get a hold of one of these prongs with the pliers and pull on it. There we go. That did it. My goodness, I don't know why that was so tight. Alright, got the bulb out. So as you can see on the bulb, it's got this tab that kind of sticks out of the bottom. It's notched out a little different. So we're going to make sure that tab is facing down when we put it in. Alright. There we go. So you got that tab on the bottom part where that notched out area is. Now we can go ahead and put this back up and then latch this on the way it's supposed to be. So it's on there. It's ready to go. Then just plug it in. It's a little tricky. There we go. Alright, let's test it out. Well, don't be like me and forget to put the cap on and then almost lose it underneath the engine. Anyway, put the cap on. Alright, locked in. Alright, as you can see, it's working perfect. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. And if you want to connect with me, I have a public group on MeWe called Share Your Trade. I'll leave a link of that in the description. Thanks for watching.